In this video, I'll show you how to swap Solana for Bitcoin on Coinbase. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So first thing you're going to do is open up and log into your Coinbase account. If you don't already have a Coinbase account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description. That'll get you 5 USDC as a welcome bonus. After you've logged into your account, you should see a page that looks like this. If you don't and you see a page that looks like this, you're in the advanced section. We're just going to keep it simple and we're going to go right over here and tap on the basic. So once you're on this page, you're just going to go right down here to the bottom and tap on this clock icon or your assets icon. And from that page, that's going to bring you to your assets. And right here, I have my Solana and we're going to tap on that in order to convert it to BTC. So once you're on this page, we're going to go right over here and tap on this buy and sell button. And from there, we're going to tap on convert. And once you're on this page, you can put in the amount of USD that you want to convert. For example, if I wanted to convert $2 USD into Bitcoin, I would just put a 2 and then I tap on review order. That'll bring you to this page. Just confirm everything is correct. This is the fee that I'm going to have to pay. After you've made sure everything is correct, you're just going to tap on convert now. And that's how to convert Solana to Bitcoin in Coinbase. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.